Guys, and welcome to day 2 of my small account challenge. So on this channel or on this series, I'm trying to grow a small account into something significant. I don't have a target yet. I just want to keep trading until I feel like okay, it's time to move on to um create some other type of content. But right now I'm just doing a series of creating this account, rather growing this account into a good to a good extent. Also, point to note is that I'm trading a cent account. So if you see $50 or 650, it's actually $6.50. Okay, so I don't test my strategies using demo accounts. I think is useless and waste of my time. I would put a very small amount into a cent account and then trade it. I would treat it like a live account because yes, it's real money. It is a live account actually, but the amount is not much. But I'll still treat it like I would, a standard account. So I don't like doing so. Right now, I'm currently testing my strategy. So that's the aim of this challenge. I'm testing my strategy, seeing how it works out before I then fully invest into it using good funds. So from last week, I had some profits on my trade, on my account, but right now I've gone up a bit more. I made some very dumb moves over the weekend, and today I'm going to share that with you before I go through a summary of the trades that I have open. So I made some very dumb moves over the weekend. For example, I have set a rule for myself to not close any trade manually. Either let it hit TP or hit SL. But over the weekend, I closed this BTC trade, which I have highlighted here in blue. I closed it for $40. Please note, I'm going to keep saying dollars going forward. I'm not going to say cents because it's going to confuse people that are just watching me for the first time. So I closed it for $40 and eventually it went my way. Okay, eventually it went my way and got past the take profit zone, which was I wasn't happy with myself. And then today I did the same thing. After telling myself I would not make that same mistake, I broke my rule and then I did the same thing on USD MXN, USD Mexican peso. I closed it prematurely, and after I did that, it went towards my take profit zone and got past it. That was it for me. Like that was the last straw. I am not closing any trade prematurely anymore. The best thing I do is once I see that a trade has gotten close to my TP and then reversed, what I would do and what I actually do in my previous trades is to move my stop loss to minus to take a $10 loss instead of $30 loss. So what I do is 60 30, 30 60, 30 stop loss, 60 take profit. So I would move my stop loss to minus 10 instead of minus 30. So just in case he wants to go all the way against me, then it will just be minus 10. Not closing my trade prematurely anymore. Those really, they messed my mind up and I said I would never do that again. Hopefully I don't. um so now let me just break down the trades that I'm on currently. Um but before I move ahead, see my account has actually grown. I'm now at 650 balance, so it's moving up gradually. So I am currently on 10 trades. I don't have on my portfolio because the way I manage my trading account is I see me building a portfolio of currency trades. Okay, it's just like you're trading the stock market. Okay, that's how I see it. I take um, good trade ideas, I put them on my portfolio, and I don't exceed 10 trades at any point in time. So at every point in time, it's either 10 or less, either 10 trades or less. Currently, it's 10 trades running. So I just want to quickly run through each one. Some of them are old from last week, some are new trades. So what I will do is just run through the new trades. I wouldn't want to bore you with the old ones. or maybe I'll just do a review of those. But no, let me just show you the new trades. So the old trades are Euro USD. Let me just quickly go through that. Euro USD. So the first one is Euro USD. I opened this. It's been running since last week. It got close to my TP. It didn't hit it, and then it came back. But I'm still going to leave it open because I believe it still, has the potential of going upwards. So I just keep that running. Euro Japanese yen. So for my Euro Japanese yen, where is the pair? Euro Japanese yen. Okay, yeah. So this almost hits my SL today. This almost hit my SL. Actually, it got close to my TP, but it came down. But I'm still keeping it. I'm still keeping it open, and maybe because of this zone. So you'd see here. So it reversed, but I believe it has potential of going beyond that. As if it doesn't hit my stop loss. All right, so on to the next one, Euro Grey British Pound. So my Euro Grey British Pound is not doing bad so far. It's just been slow. It's still crawling here. It's gone up a bit. This is my target. So let's see how it goes. So after that, we are going to USD Japanese yen. My USD Japanese yen trade is still a sell. I explained how or why I take my trades on my last video. I'll maybe do a video where I just show my strategy strictly, just based on my strategy. But I took a sell here and I am expecting it to go down. So let's see how that plays out. So the next one is BTC. So after closing prematurely, I saw another entry, another trade opportunity, and I took it, which is this. I entered the sell here, and this is my target. I mean, I could have placed my target here, but it would not give me the reward that I'm aiming for. So, and I didn't want to put my stop too close. I needed to give it some space. So that's why I have my TP here. So let's see how that plays out. So for my USD MXN, I saw an opportunity this evening. I opened another trade just a few minutes ago, and I'm expecting it to go all the way to the top here. But let's see how that plays out. I'm positive about this one. This is the 4-hour time frame. If I look at the daily time frame, it's been ranging. It's actually been ranging for some days, not days. It's actually been ranging for since November. Um, you know, and some spikes here and there, but it's basically been ranging for the most for months now since November. So I'm hoping that it actually gets here to give me a TP. So that's for USD MXN. The next one is no, I shouldn't have shown. And okay, let me just go to Great British Pound USD next. Great British Pound USD next. This one is playing with me. This is playing with me because ever since I opened the buy, it has been shooting downwards. Crazy. I don't know why. I mean, it's a forex market. What do you expect? Anything can happen. I'm expecting it to go up. I believe this is just a little play around. I hope it reverses, but if it doesn't, no problem. I don't mind at all. Then AUD card. AUD card would give me high hopes. It will go spike up and then run down. So I don't know. Um, let's see. Let's just keep watching. I don't have much to say about that. So I also took a trade for um the S&P 500. I took a sell just after this break here. I took a sell here. I'm tipping it to come all the way down to this point. Let's see how that plays out. So that's basically most of my trades. This is USD MXN, which I just showed. So let's see how it all plays out. Hopefully, I come out with a win by the end of the week. I'm actually up, on my account so far. So let's see how it plays out by the end of the week. This was just a quick rundown on my day 2 of my small account challenge. All right, so that would be it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you want to see more of my challenge, you want to follow my journey, kindly subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.